Ladies and gentlemen, participants of the International Conference on Management, Education, Social Sciences, and Innovation 2026. Today, I would like to present our research title, Analysis of the Future of Palm Tree Plantation Tower for Telecommunication Purposes, written by Diena Noviarini, Eko Arif Saifuddin, Aulia Firlina, Raihana Nabila Rahmania. The phenomenon of the research are, after reviewing data from Indonesian statistic from 2018 until 2022, it shows that Indonesia only relies on palm oil imports of 0.02% to 1.09%, which means that domestic palm oil needs can be met by domestic production, even most of which is exported or surplus, as it has been funded by banking stakeholders. In line with Indonesia's economic surplus from palm oil commodities, the growth of the information and communication sector continues to experience a significant increase. The Infocom sector was able to grow by 7.66% in the second quarter of 2024. This was driven by the increasing level of internet penetration in various regions, then the construction of base transceiver station telecommunication towers, which were intensively carried out by the government and telecommunication operator stakeholders, also played an important role in driving the growth of this sector. With the increasing number of BTS being built, internet access become faster and more stable so that oil farmers can utilize palm oil commodities to produce green energy and can be used as a source of compression ignition engine machines using physical and chemical programs and to light BTS towers using multi-platform integrated software for oil palm plantations in Indonesia. Green energy technology research is highly interdisciplinary, of which with the top 5 subject areas in publication are being engineering, energy, environmental science, computer science, and material science. In finding a solution that is economical and sustainable, a collaboration science between virtual power platform from diesel generators with a capacity of 5.6 megawatt and a waste of palm tree plants as a power generating plant with a capacity of 1 megawatt has been created as the result of energy transformation from palm plantation to diesel energy in powering telecommunication tower using a compression ignition engine machine. This green energy system in physics connected to telecommunication machines and towers that can be used throughout Indonesia. And the novelty of this technology has never existed in Indonesia or in the world, thus encouraging innovation and the development of the digital economy in Indonesia in the future. The need for clean biofuel energy makes people focus on the efficiency of cheap diesel power plants, as it is required by Islamic banking and telecommunication stakeholders. The efficient palm oil plantation and trading system using the concept of intelligent diesel energy procurement explain the achievement of the status of the future of palm plantation compression ignition engine system into improves the development of diesel power plant management concepts in this research that is entering level 7 of technology measurement. The research implication of this research are the future of palm plantation compression ignition engines involves many users, including entrepreneurs, exporters, and research institutions. Smart information system technology is an organic unity of entrepreneurs in Indonesia in the palm oil industry. As mentioned, the ecosystem in the field of management and diesel power generation from palm oil consists of several components. namely users, Islamic entrepreneurs with various levels of capital, the government as a regulator and facilitator, administrators, insurance companies for management and diesel power generation from palm oil, and other supporters of management and diesel power generation from palm oil. These components can and have built their own information and communication technology with the support of existing infrastructure. The inevitability of developing growth and economic models in expanding regional areas always results in conflicts over the use of mineral resources and the potential for marine and land deposits that are the same in the nearest and surrounding areas. Still, due to user mobility, the administration of management and diesel power generation from palm oil, which is common among several facilitators, can be integrated with a good and adequate information technology system using cloud computing and the Internet of Things. The challenge faced by Indonesia is when it needs a provider of diesel power generation and management services from palm oil. It often happens that palm oil with more complete facilities and infrastructure from managing and generating diesel power from palm oil is not properly connected using BTS telecommunication towers by the P6 plantation facilitator for managing and generating diesel power from palm oil provided by the government so that the traditional palm oil industry becomes modern. The expected output and result of this collaborative research program is the determination of a budget from stakeholders to increase literacy among farmers, entrepreneurs, and consumers of herbal plants in terms of oil palm-based information technology as depicted in the picture. The research results of this research are the design of collaboration science in this research at the Ministry of Forensic use the step that must be taken in designing a system model by Presidential Instruction Number 8 of 2018 concerning delays and evaluation of licensing of oil palm and increased productivity of oil palm. The oil palm moratorium provides an opportunity and momentum for rearranging the land issues, especially oil palm as a model system. Interviews and secondary data interviews are stages for collecting data from various relevant and accountable sources of information. The results of the research of searching for data sources that can be used for the future of the palm plantation system, Ignite BTS telecommunication towers are collected in a review conducted by researchers. The language used in the interview is intended to be understood by the general public outside the plantation field so that the future of palm plantation system application will be supported by scientific aspects that have easy language. This is the end of our presentation of our research. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention.